Welcome to KGB English Hub. Are you ready to improve your English and become more confident in speaking and listening? Then you're in the right place. At KGB English Hub, we bring you simple and effective English learning tricks, fun listening practice, and motivational stories to keep you inspired. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, we've got you covered. Check out our channel for useful videos, from easy listening exercises to powerful tips that will help you learn English effortlessly. New content is uploaded regularly, so don't miss out. Hit the subscribe button and start your journey to fluent English today. Let's learn, grow, and have fun together. I want to share an inspiring story about a young man named Ayan who transformed his life by learning English. His journey was not easy, but his determination and creative learning methods made all the difference. So, if you've ever felt shy, nervous, or stuck while learning English, keep watching. Because by the end of this story, you'll feel motivated to keep going. No matter what, let's dive in. Ayan was a 22-year-old from a small town in India. He had always dreamed of working in a big city, but there was one problem. He couldn't speak English fluently. In school, he was great at writing, but whenever he tried to speak, he would freeze. His classmates would laugh at his pronunciation, and over time he stopped trying. One day he saw a job opening for his dream company in Mumbai. But when he looked at the requirements, he sighed, "Must be fluent in English. How can I ever get this job if I can't even introduce myself properly?" he thought. But instead of giving up, he decided, "I will learn English, no matter what." At first, Ayan tried learning through grammar books, but he got bored quickly. He needed a real-life method, something exciting. That's when he discovered a unique trick, the silent shadowing technique. He started watching English movies with subtitles. But instead of just watching, he mimicked everything the actors said, in silence. He moved his lips, copied the expressions, and felt the words, like he was in the movie himself. At first, he looked ridiculous. His little sister even laughed at him. But after a few weeks, something magical happened. When he tried speaking, the words started coming naturally. His accent improved, and he no longer hesitated. "Wow, this actually works," he thought. Even though Ayan was improving, he still had one big fear: talking to real people. One day, he visited a coffee shop where a group of tourists were sitting. He wanted to talk to them but felt nervous. His heart was pounding. But then he remembered something he read. The only way to learn is to be okay with making mistakes. So he took a deep breath, walked up, and said, "Hello, are you all traveling here?" To his surprise, the tourists smiled and started chatting with him. He made a few grammar mistakes, but no one cared. They laughed, shared stories, and even took selfies together. For the first time, Ayan enjoyed speaking English without feeling scared. After months of practice, the moment had arrived: his dream job interview in Mumbai. Sitting across from the interviewer, he was nervous. But instead of panicking, he imagined it as another conversation with a tourist. He smiled, took his time, and spoke clearly and confidently. At the end of the interview, the manager said, "Ayan, your English is impressive. But more than that, your confidence is what makes you stand out. Welcome to the team." He got the job. Tears filled Ayan's eyes. He had gone from being too afraid to speak to acing an English interview in just 6 months. Ayan's journey teaches us 3 important lessons. 1. Mistakes are okay. Speak without fear. People don't judge as much as you think. 2. Use fun methods. Learning from movies, mimicking, and real conversations makes learning exciting. 3. Take small risks. Whether it's ordering food in English or chatting with strangers, every step helps you grow. So, my question to you is, what's stopping you from improving your English? Comment below, what is your biggest challenge in learning English? Let's talk. And remember, if I could do it, so can you. Like and share if this story motivated you. Listen to this story again to connect with its flow and improve your understanding. Notice the rhythm of speaking, the pauses, and the natural way sentences flow together. The more you listen, the more familiar English will feel. Remember, the key to improving your English is consistent practice. So keep listening, keep speaking, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. You're doing amazing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and easy English learning videos. See you next time.